guys, it's me.
Rocks.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Do you want some of these?
Yeah. I got these from the dollar store. And it's only $1, so I finally get to use it. And I got the laughing one with the red slime with it. So we're going to see what it looks like. So let's just give this an open. And I'm using my grandma's phone, so she's right there. And we're going to just open this. Ooh, the red slime's right there. Open it as fast as you can, because I have to leave it.
Nani, I do not think this is
Here's
for you.
the slime. It's like a ooze.
You gotta quit
kind of
scratching your
type.
butt.
Ooh, this is like really hard, I heard. It's hard to get out, guys. Okay, there it is. Okay, well, it's really hard, but it's squishy. Here's the slime. Just this a big old. Ooh, open. Ooh, it's like ooze. But it's like that type that feels sticky, but in actual, it's not.
You want that open?
Yeah. But anyways, guys, so as you can see, we're putting it down right now.
Mustard, ketchup?
Yeah, we'll get that.
Neither. Either. Girl.
What?
Mustard, ketchup?
Nah.
Huh?
No, I just want it raw.
Okay.
So, red slime right here. I didn't get all of it out of the package, but we'll work on that later. But most of it's out, so it's right here. Still kind of cooking it quietly. So we're gonna get this, and we're gonna.
Okay, I'm not gonna starve you.
We're gonna go. Thank you. We're gonna go in, and we're just gonna make the guy. Whoa, guys! He spits it out. Get it back in. Whoa.
Ew. Yuck. That's
like
what it does?
It looks like he's eating ketchup. Whoa. Look at that.
You probably better get a bag for that, too.
I am.
Oh, that's just like gross. Suck it up in there. And then...
Will you go get my Dollar Tree bag, please? Because then I can show them what all they got. Oh, that's hot. It's on the couch.
I know.
But yeah, I never had one of these, so I think it's really cool. Because if you watch Slime ASMRs, they usually put the... Ooh, he ate the whole thing! You hear it? That's awesome, guys. I love this thing. So yeah, this was only $1, but it's actually pretty cool. I like it. Also, I never had one, so I think it's pretty cool. So let's just... Look, he ate the whole thing.
Yay. Yeah.
Wow.
That's how I would store it. I would store it inside that gross thing.
Okay, and this is what else I got from the Dollar Tree, which is everything's $1 there. I finally found these, but I got the Squishy, this one.
Jeez,
And these ones are slow rising, and they're scented. These smell really good. I love the smell of them, but yeah, they're really slow rising. And yeah, I just love these foam slow rising ones. I just love them because they're so slow rising. This is pretty cool though. Look at my slime right now, guys. Like, it's just like flat.
My husband's driving down the road on his tractor.
And I also got this hot dog with some brown mustard on it. That's what the lady told me. And these all smell the same, but they're like a really good smell. Anyways, they're all slow rising, and they're really good squishies. So I got these two, because these were the only ones there, but a whole bunch of them. I got the last cheeseburger, but there was a lot of these. And a lot of these things, but different faces. And then I got this, but I took it out of the package, and I didn't want it to bust or get dirty, so I put it in here. It's this Orbeez thing. And yeah, I just fixed it right in my hands. That's all I got. But yeah, that's basically what I got at Dollar Store. I love squishies and fun, so why not? Let's get back to this guy. And eating my brat at the same time. Focused. Guys, look how flat my slime is. Get it in there. Whoa. Yeah, I got it all in there. I love that sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's pretty cool. Oh, he pooped.
Crazy dog quit. I'm gonna give you another Benadryl.
But yeah, go check your nearest Dollar Tree or whatever. There's like 2 or 3. Just go check all of them if you have a lot. I only have one close to where I live. So, yeah. It kind of looks like ketchup. Like the real color of it looks like ketchup, but on there it looks like a light red. But it's actually dark. Just like a really oozy slime. As you can see, it's really jiggly too. Come on, emoji. I don't like prawns. Fred. Oh gosh, it just, if you guys ever hit replay on that, it just hit my hot dog. It slimed it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Go check your nearest Dollar Tree for all these things. They're all $1, so do not worry. But anyways, yeah, okay, it's all inside its mouth, if you can see. Just gonna set that back there. But yeah, go check your Squishies and stuff like that. And go check his mouth. And he's laughing because I'm recording. I'm just kidding. Anyways, guys, but thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and peace.